Leaving California for Virginia? A cross-country move is a major life shift, and it can get expensive or stressful fast. These 5 non-obvious tips will keep you on track and under budget. Skip brokers. They outsource your move and inflate costs. Choose a company with their own trucks and an active FMCSA US DOT number to handle every step directly. Long-distance moves often stretch over 7-14 days. Don't settle for vague timing. Get your pickup and delivery window in writing to avoid being left without your stuff for weeks. You're going from dry and mild to 4-season weather. Pack a first-week essentials kit that includes rainwear, layered clothing, and cold weather gear. Virginia's humidity and winters are no joke. You only have 60 days to register your vehicle and update your license in Virginia. Missing this could lead to fines. Schedule your DMV visit before you move. Hourly pricing across state lines is unpredictable. For a 2+ bedroom move, flat rate is safer. 3 Movers calculates one fixed cost based on volume, not time. 3 Movers handles coast-to-coast relocations with precision. From packing and loading in California to setup in Virginia, we offer direct delivery, no transfer stations. Accurate flat rate quotes. Packing, loading, and furniture disassembly. FMCSA licensed and insured service. No surprise fees. We moved from San Diego to Richmond. 3 Movers delivered exactly on time and even helped reassemble our furniture. Totally worth it. Avoid surprises and delays. Start your California to Virginia move with confidence. Get your free flat rate quote now at 3movers.com.